Hello, everyone. Hello, we're in the kitchen tonight. This is where I do all of Papa's treats, all of these cookies. Y'all come on in here. We're doing a fun little Christmas treat. So we are making these today. Little fun Grinch fruit treats. These are going to be amazing. Y'all come on in here. Hello, hello. So we're a little later than we usually are for Mrs. Claus, but that's okay. Y'all spread the word for me. Go ahead and pop the video over to others. So what you're going to need with this recipe is bananas, grapes, strawberries, and marshmallows. We are going to make little Grinchy faces. We are going to use strawberries, grapes, and bananas. And I have this pulled out right here. And then we're going to use little marshmallows. So, are y'all ready? Let's get started. What you're going to do is we're going to take our little grapes. I'm going to do 4 of these. 4 of these. This is going to be fun. This is our little project. We're doing Grinch fruit snacks. They're easy peasy. You will need a knife. I've already washed my grapes and my strawberries. I'm going to take my strawberry. I'm going to cut the top off of it. Like so. Just cut the top off of it. Okay. Doing the same here. I'm doing 4. So you're going to watch me do 4. I want y'all to do 4. These are just fun little fruit snacks. We call these the Grinchy Fruit Pop. Grinchy Fruit Pop. So this is how we cut our strawberries. I've already washed my grapes. I chose some big plump ones. You're going to love that. So then, let's get our banana. We need very thin sliced bananas. So, going to get this banana peeled. I love bananas. Bananas are one of my favorites. How about y'all? What is your favorite fruit? Hello, Tracy. Hello. Tell me in the comments, what is your favorite fruit? Go ahead. You want this to be a very pretty white banana, okay? And we're going to do really, really thin slices. I'm going to pop that there. What is your favorite fruit? Put it in the comments. And you don't want to cut these up too soon. You don't want them brown. You want them white, okay? So, I've got a few slices there. I've got there 4. I got 2 to eat. I love bananas. All right. Then you're going to need a marshmallow. So I've got the small ones. You can also get the big bag, y'all. These are fun too. Me and Papa, when me and Papa Claus are in an argument, this is the best. I love that. Strawberries. We start throwing them at each other, right? We throw them at each other. These are the best argument. They solve the arguments, right? All right. We need 4. Pop one in your mouth. And these are the small ones. I love these in hot cocoa. I love these on sweet potatoes and yams. So much fun stuff to do with marshmallows in the fall and Christmas season. Now, you're going to need toothpicks, so let's do it. This is such an easy, simple fruit treat. It's the Grinchy Fruit Pop. So that's what we're doing. Hi, Sarah. What is your favorite fruit? Put it in the comments. So, we're going to start with the grape. I'm going to assemble it like this. These are super cute. I don't want the stem to go out, so I'm not going to push it all the way through. Then I'm going to take my slice of banana. That's going to be the fur for my hat. And then I'm going to take my strawberry, right? I'm going to take my strawberry and push it on through that strawberry. And then you want to pull this up just a little. here's our Grinchy snack. Little Grinchy fruit pops. Now you can use the longer skewers if you want. I'm doing it like this, and then I'll put them on a plate. I love that. Love that. Please, please put in the comments what's your favorite fruit. So here's my little Grinchy. You can even take some white icing and put it there, but this is my little Grinchy fruit snack. I call it a fruit pop. So what I do, I'm gonna do 4 of these. So I'm gonna set that one down. Let's do it. So I push it through the top of the grate. Boom, like this. I push that banana through, and then your strawberry goes next. Super simple, super simple. Boom. Isn't that adorable? Isn't that adorable, y'all? So these are Grinchy fruit pops. You can assemble them very quickly. They're super cute on the plate. I'm fixing to get a plate and show you. They're super cute on a plate. Super cute. And if you need to pull that out a little, go ahead. Boom. Super cute. When you get done with these, here's a little tip. Now, here's a little tip. When you get done with these, what you're going to do is you're going to take a little bit of water with a little bit of citrus, either lemon juice, lime juice, and just spritz them. That way they stay through your event. Yes, they're adorable. They are adorable. Cute, cute, cute. Look how cute. Little Grinch fruit pops. Super, super nutritious and delicious. Let me grab a plate. Y'all, in Mrs. Claus' kitchen, this is where all the fun happens. So, let me show you what they look like on a plate. So, you could put you a little fruit cream, little cream on there, but they are super cute. Look at this, y'all. Super cute. They want to roll away. Look how cute those are. Can y'all see those? Boom. Isn't that adorable? So, easy to eat too, watch. So I'm gonna take I'll put this, watch. This is why I call them Grinch poppers. Yummy. Oh, that's so good. So fresh. You get that natural sugar and then that sugar from that marshmallow. These are wonderful. Yes, these are great for a school party. They're great for healthy. They're also just a fun activity that you can do with your kids. No cooking required. Now, some of our recipes are going to be cooking. You got to get your parents to help with that. Super good, y'all. These are Grinchy poppers. Get them made. Do it with your parents. And parents, let me know, was the audio on this video okay? I've ordered a microphone so that I could do more of the cooking in the kitchen. When you make your little Grinchy poppers, fruit poppers, take a picture of it, tag us in the picture, okay? Y'all have a wonderful night. Enjoy these. It's just 4 easy ingredients and super cute, super fun. Get the hearts a-flowing. Put that love in the air everywhere. Go ahead. I'm waiting. See that piece of banana? I can't resist. Audio good for me. Thank you, Deborah. All right. Thanks, guys. Y'all have a wonderful night, and we will reconvene with a story next week with Mrs. Claus. Stay tuned. Much love. Thank y'all.